Job number 1 is to determine the two sides that we are dealing with in our triangle. Once again, our sides are determined by where the angle is. As we can see, we'll just point to this one. That side is opposite the angle, so I'm just going to label that one as opposite. The side 18 is the furthest away from the right angle, or not attached to the right angle, and is also the longest side on our triangle. So that one is the hypotenuse. From there, we determine which out of our 3 trigonometric ratios, that's why I've got SOHCAHTOA over here, contains both the opposite and the hypotenuse. And the only one that contains both the opposite and the hypotenuse is SOH, or sine. So I'm just going to write down that trigonometric ratio. I always like to do that just to ensure that when I input or substitute the values in, I've got them in the right spot. So therefore we've got sine of the unknown angle, and we're calling it theta, is equal to the opposite side, which in this case is 12 divided by 18. Now we need to isolate theta, or make theta our subject. To do that, we're going to use the inverse sine operation. So theta is equal to the inverse sine, that is sine to the -1, and you'll find that in your second functions on your calculator, 12 over 18. Now notice in this case I actually wrote 12 over 18 rather than determining what it is as a decimal and then inputting that. I like to have the exact value of 12 over 18. From there I can determine that the angle using my calculator is 41.81 degrees, because we're measuring things in degrees, to 2 decimal places.